Hey everyone! Welcome back to Network Academy Fun, where we learn to become data center engineers while having a good time. Today's lesson: Traffic Census for your network, NetFlow, IPFIX, and Telemetry. Hey everyone! Welcome back to Network Academy Fun. Today, we're diving into something super cool that's going to blow your mind and totally level up our understanding of networks. How do we actually see what's zipping around in our network? Think of it like a detective story for network packets. We're going to become network traffic census takers. Imagine driving on a super busy highway, but you have no idea who's going where, what kind of cars they are, or even why they're there. That's what managing a network without traffic visibility feels like. We need to know who's talking to whom, what applications are being used, and if there are any suspicious joyriders hogging all the lanes. This is where NetFlow steps in. Invented by Cisco, NetFlow is like our first super helpful traffic cop. Instead of looking at asterisk every single car, packet, it smartly groups similar cars together into flows. A flow is basically a conversation between two endpoints. Think of it, when you call your friend, that's one conversation, not a million individual words. NetFlow collects data about these conversations, not the actual words, but all the juicy details of who's talking. So, what specific details does NetFlow capture about these conversations? It's like a concise police report. Things like the source IP address, destination IP address, source port, destination port, protocol, TCP, UDP, etc., and even the ingress-egress interface. It doesn't look inside the car, the actual data payload, but it tells us everything about who, what, when, and where the conversation is happening. Super powerful stuff without being too nosy. While NetFlow was awesome, other vendors wanted in on the fun. And everyone likes standards, right? So, the IETF created IPFIX, IP Flow Information Export. Think of it as NetFlow 2.0, or NetFlow going pro and getting a universal translator. It's more flexible, allowing us to define even more cool stuff we want to track beyond the basics. It's the modern, open standard for flow data collection, making sure everyone can speak the same traffic census language. Now, let's talk about the cutting edge. Telemetry. NetFlow and IPFIX are often about pulling data or sending it in batches. Like checking security footage once a day, telemetry is like having a live CCTV stream running constantly. Network devices push data in real time, all the time. This means instant insights, faster problem solving, and a much more dynamic view of our network health. It's like going from looking at photos to watching a live, high-definition movie. Why is all this important for us aspiring data center engineers? This isn't just theory. It's absolutely essential for real-world operations. 1. Troubleshooting. Figure out why the network is slow or if something broke. 2. Security. Spot weird traffic patterns that could be an attack. 3. Capacity planning. Know when you need to buy more bandwidth before you run out. This is our network's superpower vision, giving us the eyes to see everything. Phew, we just covered a ton. From NetFlow's trusty traffic reports to IPFIX's versatility, and the real-time magic of telemetry. Understanding these tools is absolutely crucial for anyone building or managing robust networks. This knowledge helps us not just fix problems, but prevent them. Keep learning, keep experimenting, and I'll see you in the next Network Academy Fun adventure. Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, make sure to subscribe to our channel and hit the like button.